Hello friends, let us study more about sound and noise. In part 2, we are going to study about pleasant and unpleasant sounds, noise pollution, harmful effects of noise pollution, ways of reducing noise pollution. Pleasant sounds are sounds which we find are pleasing to ears. For example, politely conversation of human, water, fall, sound of birds like cuckoo, etc. Unpleasant sounds can be defined as the sound which irritate us and can cause headache. Example, unpleasant sound can be a sound at construction site, horn of train and other vehicles. Pleasant and unpleasant sounds. Some sounds are pleasant and some are noise. Compared to waves on the right, a pleasant sound has a regular wave pattern. The pattern is repeated over and over, but the wave of noise are irregular. They do not have a repeated pattern. For example, pleasant sound, we have musical instruments, sound of waves on the beach, rustling sound of the leaves, sound of gently falling rain, etc. Unpleasant sound like honking of vehicles, loud explosion, loud sound made by aircrafts, noise from factories, etc. What is noise? A sound, especially one that is loud or unpleasant or that causes disturbance. A loud and unpleasant sound that causes physical and mental disturbance is called noise. Neighborhood noise. This type of noise includes disturbance from our household gadgets and community. Common sources being musical instrument, television, radios, etc. Sources of noise, from where we get them. 1. We get from industrial areas. 2. We get from residential areas like mechanical devices, voices, music, etc. 3. Transportation noise, road traffic, rail traffic, air traffic. Noise pollution is a loud noise that disturbs our comfort level. Excessive and continuous noise which impacts human and animal health is called noise pollution. The unwanted, unpleasant, or disagreeable sound that causes discomfort for all living beings. With regular exposure to loud noise, the ability to read and learn also decreases. Harmful effects of noise pollution: it causes dizziness, headache and earache, tiredness and stress, nervousness, loss of sleep and loss of concentration, sleep disturbance, hypertension, and even permanent loss of hearing. So, these noise pollution can cause hearing loss and irritability not only in human beings but also in animals. How can we control and how can we prevent this noise pollution? We should take the following preventive measures to save ourselves from the noise pollution. Avoid using loudspeakers for too long and too loudly. Get electrical appliances checked regularly to reduce the noise produced by them. Traffic should be regulated to avoid noise from vehicles. Unnecessary honking should be controlled in residential area and near schools and hospitals. Use heavy carpets and curtains at home. They help in absorbing the noise coming from outside. Planting trees in the neighborhood. Trees and plants absorb noise to great extent. And of course, not last but the least, avoid watching television and listening to radio at high volume. In this chapter, we studied about pleasant and unpleasant sound, noise pollution, harmful effects of noise pollution, ways of reducing noise pollution. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. So, from this chapter, we studied that we should stop noise pollution. And thank you for watching my video. Please like and share and also subscribe my videos. Thank you.